short story of the onion. One day, Mommy asked the children, "Which is the naughtiest vegetable?" The children did not know the answer. Mommy took a cucumber, cut it, and the children ate it. Then she cut up a tomato, and the children ate it. Lastly, she cut up an onion. The children's eyes were filled with tears. They cried out, "Oh, Mommy, take the onion away. It makes us cry." Mommy said, "Now, children, you know that the onion is the naughty vegetable. It makes children cry. But the onion is very good for health. You must eat an onion every day. If something is good for your health, you must eat it, even though you might not like its taste."